This video is in collaboration with Melody Susie. The Barbie movie came out and it did something to my brain. I'm in a total Barbie phase. I love it. I'm obsessed. And these are some of the coolest Barbie nails I've seen. Imagine hand-painted press-on nails that have all the nail art as if you went to the salon, spent 2 hours and paid $200, but all you have to do is press these on. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And if you're really into press-ons like me, then having really artistic ones like this is something really special. I'm so into the Barbie ones, but they have many different styles. All the nail art is done by hand and the sizes are custom to your finger. So before you get your pack, you actually measure your fingers to make it exact and you get everything that you need to put them on, like an alcohol pad, a cuticle pusher, and a little file, as well as some stickers. If you don't like to use nail glue because you don't want the nails to last or stay on for a really long time, you can pick 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, and you can use these little stickers. They just look like this. You peel it back and then press it onto the nail and put the fake nail over top. This is really handy if you have a job where you can't have your nails done for a long time. It's good for just a night or just a weekend. You can press these on and they're so easy to take off this way. I like my nails to last me a week, not because I don't want them on for longer. I just like changing them up. And if you want them to last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you can do this very easily by buffing the nail plate before you apply your press-ons. Regardless of how long you want them to last, the cuticle area is half of the whole look. If you have really dry cuticles or you have hangnails, it's going to interrupt the general aesthetic. So push them back and then use some cuticle nippers to remove any hangnails. It's actually really normal to have crooked fingers. I don't know if I'm the only one. Comment below if you have a crooked finger too. My index is very crooked. Now, if you were to apply any type of nail enhancement, including press-ons, just to the nail following the finger, it's gonna look crooked. What you wanna do is imagine an invisible line down the center of the nail and down the center of the press-on. You want to line it up and ignore the crookedness of your finger because this will actually help elongate it and create an illusion of symmetry. Take your nail glue and dot it without pushing harder. Get a little bit of glue onto the nail plate, and then this is fast drying, but letting it sit in the air a little bit is actually going to help it adhere to the nail better. I'm going to take the tip of the glue and spread it up towards the cuticle and down towards the free edge of the nail without actually touching either side. Imagining that invisible line down the middle, I'm going to press this down, and then if I need to release my hand, I just comfortably change my position and press one final time for 20 seconds. Once you have your press-ons done, and I have these gorgeous Barbie press-ons, they're hand done and it saved me a lot of time because I didn't have to do all this nail art, but it is beautiful and stylish and so fashionable. I love it. Do not wash your hands after you get your manicure done. Once you do this, you want to wait 1 hour before getting your hands wet. This helps the nail set along with the glue and adheres the nail properly so that you don't have any lifting or nails popping off within a week. It's going to stay on for weeks and weeks until you want to take it off. Maintain your look using some cuticle oil and hand creams. They're really important for keeping the skin really hydrated and looking good along with your beautiful manicure. If you enjoyed this, please shop the link below for Melody Susie's handmade press-ons. They are so gorgeous. They have so many styles and I love these Barbie nails. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and click my channel to watch more.